How to refresh your feed on TikTok. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can refresh your feed using TikTok app. So for that we will simply open TikTok app. After that click on profile. Now you guys will see on top right corner three lines. So simply click on these three lines. Here you guys will see TikTok Studio, balance, my music, your QR code, setting and privacy. So simply click on setting and privacy. After that you guys will scroll and you will see content preferences. So simply click on content preferences. Here you guys will see filter keywords, restricted mode, stem feed, manage topics, refresh your feed. So you will simply click on refresh your for you feed. Once you click on it, it will say want a fresh start. So simply click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will say ready to refresh your feed. Also refresh, cancel. So once you click on refresh, your feed will be refreshed and you will get new videos, everything new on your feed. That's how you can do that. Thanks for watching.